just arrived. This is the new model Land Rover Defender D250, which is the 3-litre diesel engine SE in Eiger Grey. But this car's got massive specification, full service history, 21 registration, so it still has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty up until 2024. But it's just the way the car looks. Now, this is a Defender 110, so it's a longer wheelbase, bigger boot, bigger car in general. The drive's superb, but when I said specification, the SE as standard gives you lots anyway, but this has added extras. So starting from the front, you've got the full black styling pack. That's a black badging, the inserts, around the headlights. It's also got the 110 bonnet decal, the panels on the front there. And then you'll notice straight away that this car has the full arch kit. Now that's an extended arch kit, front and rear, and it makes a big car look even bulkier. You've then got things like 360 view camera system. That's a camera in the front, cameras in the side, and a camera in the back. You've also got the LED front fog lights, front and rear parking sensors, and then you have the more upgraded LED style glass piece daytime running lights and the full LED headlights. This car then has the upgraded 20-inch high gloss black wheels on, which look absolutely superb. Fully fitted mud flaps front and rear, and you've also got the side tube side steps there, which are fully functional. You can step onto it to get in and out the car. Black side air vents, black mirror cap covers, and then you've also got the black window surrounds followed by some protection glass. Another big extra on this car is a full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. So that slides all the way back, which is brilliant. But if you look at the interior, you've got full leather interior, electric seats and memory seats, and then you have things like air suspension, heated seats, dual zone climate control, touchscreen media system with navigation, DAB digital radio, automatic gearbox, lane assist, cruise control, 2 keys, lots of USBs and 12-volt sockets and USCs. The car is phenomenal. It's absolutely brilliant. But let me tell you about the next big thing on this car. This is a 7-seater, so it's got the third row seating, which not all 110s have. It's quite rare to get a Defender 110 with 7 seats, as a matter of fact. So this one, the fact that it's got it, just makes it such a more desirable vehicle. In the back seats there, you've got the third zone climate control, you've got more USBs and 12-volt sockets, centre armrest comes down, 3-point seat belts, again full leather, and it's been so well looked after. Fully fitted mats front and rear, your grab handles, and the comfort pack gives you the little sockets in the back to put your coat hangers or DVD holders or anything else. And as I've mentioned already, you have got the tilt and sliding roof, quarter windows there letting more light in. Around the back, you've got the squared LED style lighting system, and then that takes it on to the next big extra. This car does have the full factory electric deployable towbar. Now, trust me, this car's going to go live now. So if you've got my name and number on the bottom of the screen, if you like what you see, call me direct, because this one's not going to hang around, because there just isn't many with the factory deployable towbar, the 7 seats, the pan roof, the Eiger Grey, the black styling pack. Just this is a combination of what we'd call the perfect Defender. Now with the 7 seats, it's individual seats, so you don't need to use all 7. You might just use 1, so 6 in effect. Or you might say, you know what, we're not all going out, I'll just use first row and second row, and you've got yourself a humongous boot. You've then got the third zone climate in the back there as well, with more USBs, and you can see from the corners there, this is where the air blows out. Cup holders for the rear passengers themselves, a nice entry kick plate there so it stops from the rear getting scratched. Fifth wheel on the back, which is a spare wheel, but also 20 inches in size, and again in brand new condition. The car's been so well looked after. There is no dents, there is no scratches. Under manufacturer's warranty, like I've said, 2 keys. You've got the memory seats there, the electric windows and mirrors, and then you have the full digital dash as well. Because remember, because of the shortage of chips, etc., a lot of the new Defenders are coming through without the digital dash. They come with analog clocks, so it's nice to have all that. Voice control, illuminated multifunctional steering wheel, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, front and rear heated windscreen, and then when you put it in reverse, automatically the high definition cameras kick in and you've got your full sort of 360 view of exactly what is going on. You've also got the off-road camera system as well, so when you're driving, it's almost as if you're looking through the bonnet. The Defender 110 like this one with the air suspension, you're sat up nice and high. The drive's superb, and you can hear from the tone of the engine, the 3-litre diesel engine that this car has is such a nice, smooth, quiet engine that returns you great miles per gallon, but has more than enough power. Centre armrest flips up with more cubbyhole space. But remember what I said, it's the colour, it's a styling. This arch kit is not cheap. It really does make a difference. So when you look at what's available, and they haven't got 7 seats, they haven't got the body kit, they haven't got the side steps, black styling, it's not the same car. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.